just made a mistake.
So this is Sunday, the 1st of April, is it today? 1st of April, yeah. And Jasmine is repairing some tights. Jasmine, explain what you're doing, my love.
You already explained what I'm doing.
This is such a cute picture. It looks very old-fashioned. This girl is only 8 years old and she's sewing. She's sewing her broken tights or torn tights that have been laddered. We call laddered, like slightly ripped. And she's doing a fantastic job. Let's have a look at very in the detail what she's doing here. So
I'm trying to get the thread out here because I made a mistake.
So Jasmine actually can thread a needle. So she can thread a needle. She can prepare. And the idea is that if there's a tear or some damage to something, we don't try and make it look like a repair or try to repair it. What do we do, Jasmine?
We make it look like it's intentional.
Good girl. So we make it look like it's intentional, meaning we're going to make a design over the tear so that it doesn't look like a repair. It looks like it was intended. Exactly what Jasmine said just now. So here these are the tights, white tights. But of course, using white thread or cotton would look very silly because you'd never get the same match, right? So we need to make it look like it was intended to be. A design, some sort of style thing, right?
Oh dear.
So we'll get back when when Jasmine's actually finished repairing these tights, which actually the repair is going to be a design feature. So bye bye for now.